everyone, and welcome back to my morning report chart analysis videos on Thursday the 5th of January with me, Japan market analyst at Hanset Markets, looking at cable. And we've seen it's just a consolidation really, just beginning to form. I mean, yes, you had a minor pickup yesterday, bull candle that sort of took us back to this 23.30 sort of pivot really, closed underneath it, although there was a minor sort of move to 23.50, again a minor move to 23.87, no, 23.62 today, but again rolling over. And I just think that this is, I mean, it's a ranging chart, yes, and you might see a bit of upside move, but I think that there is a downside bias within this range, and the fact that it's sort of not really gaining traction today is interesting, because the dollar has been weaker today generally, and even then, despite that weakness, sterling has been relatively weaker than the dollar. Now you've had a bit of a pick up in the last hour, or less than the last hour actually, for the last few minutes, with the UK services PMI, which are coming better than expected. So that upside surprise has sort of dragged us higher from 22.67, left a bit of support there, about 50 ticks higher from that now. But generally speaking, I don't necessarily think that this is going to be the start of a rally. Now 23.87 is your near-term support, sorry, your near-term resistance. That is a bit of a pivot line, isn't it? Let's get rid of that. Come on, move. 23.87, generally speaking, sort of caught the lows, highs there, high there. It's a bit of a pivot line, so that is a resistance that is in place and needs to be broken to the upside. Otherwise, I think this market is going to continue to drift and back and retest the recent lows, 22 figure area, which sort of came in from late December and early Jan, but also then back, if that were to be seen, back below that towards 2080, which is the range low seen from October, November. So what we've seen on the hourly charts is these MACD lines rolling over. The last time we got a crossover in this sort of territory was back in sort of right at the end of the year, where the market then started to sort of track lower again. Similar sort of story there. We've got the stochastics, which have got a bear divergence. Stochastics, bear divergence, and crossing lower and falling away. RSI dropping away. So, I mean, yes, you've had this rebound on the services PMI data for the UK, but I think that's probably going to be a chance to sell, to be honest. I don't necessarily think that's going to be the beginning of another bull leg that's going to sort of break us through 23.87. I think cable's going to be going lower. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.